I would like to thank everybody who is a first-time delegate to the DFL endorsing process. You make our party stronger. Although I wasn't able to speak inside, a few people asked me what I was going to say. So, instant runoff voting has changed our city. It has changed our elections for the future. It means that voters get multiple choices in November. I believe this makes campaigning better. I think this makes our party stronger. I think the candidate that builds a coalition is the candidate that will be able to best represent everybody when elected mayor of Minneapolis. I am not suspending or dropping out of the mayor's race today. There is a long time to go till November. There are many issues that need to be articulated, and a lot of issue has to be paid attention to the poverty that is threatening the future of our city. But candidates, like delegates and alternates, get second choices.
Yes.
And so today, I am announcing my second choice. My second choice is the candidate who I believe most shares my progressive values and the values of the people that I have fought for the last 12 years on the City Council. My second choice shares passionately with me the need for us to get a hold of our energy future and a campaign for the MEO campaign this November on the ballot. My second choice fought harder than anybody last November to defeat not one, but two constitutional amendments that would have scarred our state. And my second choice has always opposed stadium rip-offs and corporate welfare. And so to all delegates, I encourage you to vote your values, follow your heart. But my second choice is Betsy Hodges.